Hi, this is Pam from the Birch Cottage blog. Today I would like to show you how to propagate a Christmas cactus. Now, propagate simply means to take a new plant, a plant that you have, and create new plants from that plant. There are a few supplies that you'll need: a Christmas cactus, of course, a small glass jar, some pebbles, and some water. The first thing you're going to do is to select your cuttings. You want to select sections or segments of the plant where the leaves are 3 to 5 leaves or segments long. And usually you'll want probably 3 of those for each pot that you plan to plant. And to do that, you simply hold onto the leaf at the 3rd node or wherever you want to break it off from the mother plant, and hold on to the other side of it at the mother plant and twist to remove the leaf. You can also use a pair of scissors. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to lay those on the shelf somewhere out of sunlight and give those cuttings time to heal. It usually takes 24 to 48 hours. And once they've had time to heal over, you'll take your small mason jar, fill it about 2 inches deep with the pebbles, cover the pebbles completely with water, and then take the cuttings and stand them up so that the cutting part is resting against the pebbles in the water. Now, you don't want very much of the leaves in the water, mostly just the bottom portion where the cutting is. And then you just leave it there until the roots grow. Once your roots have grown, which takes probably a couple of weeks, you're ready to transplant it. Take a small pot, because Christmas cactus like to be crowded. Put some pebbles in the bottom of it and fill it with a good cactus potting soil mix. And then stand your cuttings root side down into the soil, about 1 inch deep. Pat the soil around it, give it a good watering, and even mist the leaves with some water. The Christmas cactus is really a native of a tropical rainforest, so they like a little more humidity. So go ahead and give them a spritz with some water. And then you're ready to set them in a windowsill, maybe where it gets some indirect sunlight, nothing too harsh at first. And then keep an eye on them, because in small pots, they'll need to be watered more often. Once the top of the soil starts to look a little dry, you'll want to go ahead and water it, and maybe even spray the leaves. And then once a year, once every 2 years, something like that, as the plant grows, you'll want to transplant it and give the roots a little bit more room. But like I said, they do like to be a little more crowded. So start with a small pot. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come visit me on the Birch Cottage blog. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.